Let's make a bowl with alcohol inks, epoxy resin and pigment paste. Let's begin. I've mixed up some epoxy resin, a 2-to-1 mix, and pouring it into my plastic cups. Here I've got some titanium white and mixing that into the first cup. And some pigment paste in black for the second cup. And now I'm placing some silicone oil on my tray, my mould, and this will help to get some cell effects. Here I have my alcohol inks, the first in white, and then placing some drops in black. I'm now pouring my white titanium epoxy resin around the edge and followed by the black. And this will give some real definition to my bowl. And now with my clear epoxy resin, the remaining epoxy resin, pouring it into the middle very slowly. And using my heat gun to remove the bubbles. And now a spritz of isopropyl alcohol, which also helps to remove bubbles. And now some glitter for the middle, for the center. And just to define where my center is. And now covering for a few hours. And I'm now making a little base for my bowl using the same technique with the black and white alcohol inks. The heat gun and the isopropyl alcohol again to remove the bubbles. Now here we are, about 5 to 6 hours later, and it is still pliable, not tacky to touch. And we're going to now place it into a plastic bowl. It's a little bit slippery because of the silicone oil. I like to oil my bowl so that it's easy for it to come out. And I'm just shaping it to the shape that I like. And with the tape measure, just making sure that I've got it even all around. And then leaving it overnight to cure. Here we are the next day, and as you can see, it's formed into a bowl shape. Wow, what do you think? And here's my little base. It's so cute, it looks almost like a 4-leaf clover. I think the base just finishes it off. Here I'm using a little bit of epoxy resin. It's actually just some that I had left over, an ocean white. I want to use it up, so I'm using it for this purpose. And just making sure I don't place too much on it because I don't want it to drip over the sides. It's also a thicker, higher viscosity resin, so hopefully it won't drip. And using the heat gun again. Making sure it's evenly dispersed, and now placing the bowl onto the base. And you can prop it up, use some props so that it doesn't slip and slide around while it cures. And here it is. And see how we've got some little cell effects by using the silicone oil. And that beautiful definition of black around the edges. I think it's turned out really pretty. What do you think? Place some comments below. It's nice to get encouragement. And it motivates me to make more videos for you and grow my channel. I've been busy making a lot of bowls lately. I'm really enjoying this technique. And the creative process of using so many different colours to get different effects. See you next time.